How to make money from lending your stocks with Etrade. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the fully paid lending program and how it works with Etrade. You essentially going to be able to have stocks that's already in your portfolio. You're going to allow Etrade to borrow them to sell to someone else or whatever the case may be, and they're going to pay you monthly for this option. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. My name is Prince Dykes. This is the Investor Show. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, thank you for tuning into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live, all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Like I said before, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So in this particular video podcast, however you may be catching this, I'm going to talk about the fully paid lending program with Etrade and how to apply for it right here on Etrade. So let's first break down a scenario. Why does this exist? So when people short sell, how a short sale works, a person goes into Walmart. Let's say if a pair of skates costs $100. This person goes into Walmart and they say, "Hey Walmart, can I borrow your $100 skates?" And Walmart says, "Sure." So they let me borrow the $100 skates. So I take the skates and then I go sell them to somebody for $100, right? I collected $100 because I sold some skates that I borrowed from Walmart for $100 because I believe the price of these skates are going to go down. Let's set the perfect world, the price of the skates go down to $20. When the price of the skates go down to $20, I go to Target, buy the same skates for $20, take them to Walmart so Walmart can fill up his inventory, and I keep the $80 difference. You get what I'm saying? I borrowed the skates from Walmart for $100. I sold them to somebody for $100. I collected $100. The price of the skates fell to $20. Out of my $100, I used $20 to go buy the skates to fill Walmart's inventory back up. Everybody's happy. I made $80 off of something I don't own. How does this program work? Who is Walmart? Usually Walmart is a broker. And with this program, you are signing up to be the Walmart. You own 1,000 shares of Coca-Cola, 1,000 shares of Disney, how many shares of whatever you may own. You allowing people to borrow your stocks for a monthly, you get paid interest daily, but in this program, you get a monthly dividend. So now, how does this work? First, you got to sign up for it. You got to apply. Step 1. 2, you got to review the agreement. 3, you got to lend. 4, you earn. Just because you let somebody borrow your stocks, you still own the right to your stocks to be able to buy and sell them whenever you please. Just because you let somebody borrow them, you can say, "Nah, I want to go ahead and sell them." You can do that at any time. But this program allows you, if you have some stocks just sitting around in your portfolio, this is a way you can earn dividends or you can earn a payment by lending out, giving Etrade the ability to lend your stocks to other people, usually for people who short trade. What I just explained, the scenario I just explained earlier, was short selling. So how do you do that? So you go up under here, you log into Etrade, you go to what we offer. Up under what we offer, you go to fully paid lending. Up under fully paid lending, you're going to hit the apply button, right? They have a nice little video you can hit play on that would kind of explain it. You hit the apply button. Doesn't mean you have to lend out your stocks. You can lend them out if you want to, and they're going to pay you. Now, how you get paid depends on how many stocks they purchase. They do how many stocks they purchase, how many stocks they borrow from you, and they multiply it times like 102 or whatever the case may be, and they pay you monthly. It occurs daily, and you get paid monthly for letting a broker, because E-Trade is just a broker, letting a broker be able to borrow and facilitate your stocks for other people to be able to do certain things with. Another way that you can make money off of your stocks just sitting in your portfolio. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. My name is Prince Dykes. This is the Investor Show. And until the next video podcast, cartoon, whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe. Peace. Be safe. I'm out, and thank you.